Nicole Beretta is lucky to be alive. The mother of two was nearly killed when her car was plowed into at an intersection by a hit-and-run driver.
I remember the white van, and I remember not being able to breathe.
The impact caused a tear in Nicole's heart called an aortic transection.
80% of these, 80 to 90% of these transections are fatal at the scene of the accident. 20% of them that make it to the hospital. Of those patients, approximately 20% of them will die.
Thankfully, Nicole wasn't far from Southside Hospital, which just last year opened a cardiac surgery program, the only one on the South Shore in Suffolk County, and one that has already performed more than 300 heart surgeries.
Probably if this hospital wasn't here, I wouldn't have made it.
Ideally, you want to get to these patients as soon as possible. Her operation was done at 1 o'clock in the morning. If she would have had to be transferred, that would have taken more time to transfer her out to a different institution, and that could have played an important part of her care.
Every second counts.
Absolutely.
Ironically, 3 years ago, Nicole's stepdad, who also lives on the South Shore in Suffolk County, needed to have emergency heart surgery and had to be transferred to North Shore University Hospital in Manhasset, where it just so happens Dr. Kalimi also works.
He too could have died, and my mother says it over and over and over again. Dr. Kalimi has hands of gold, and he saved my father's life, and I guess mine too.
Nicole is now getting ready to go home.
And my mother even said she might have been doing funeral arrangements last week.
Nicole just can't wait to spend some quality time with her sons.
We're just gonna go out to eat and relax. No stress, no nothing, just have a nice time. I think I have a new perspective on so many things.
In Bay Shore, Rob Hoyle, North Shore LIJ TV.